Chuck Bone.
Okay, so Finney, now this is your iPod?
Yeah.
Okay,
so there's Chuck Bone song, Sack Bone song, another Chuck, another Sack.
There are two song modes, you were saying?
Yeah, and now this, that's the volume. You can turn it down. This is song mode right there. And then if you want to type down stuff, these are the buttons if you want to push.
And what are the two song modes you have? They're called
Chuck Bone and Sack Bone.
And why are they called that?
Well, cause one song that I learned first starts with like Chuck Bone,
It does.
Chuck Bone, Chuck Bone, Chuck Bone, Chuck Bone.
I didn't know that. Can you play that one?
And then Sack Bone.
That's Sackbone?
Here's Chuck. See?
Mm-hmm.
This is a 12 bone.
Cool.
And now this is another Chuck bonus.
Okay.
This is Sack. This is Chuck again.
All right. Well, thanks for playing for me, bud.
You're welcome.
All right.